Welcome back to the second half.
Morgen kommt der Weihnachtsmann, bringt mir nen Ferrari. Oh, Rick,
Joe,
can you help me? I need to write a letter to Santa. I've been a bad boy all year, well, actually every year. I still try to convince him to bring me that Ferrari that I've been waiting for over 60 years. Can you help me? I need to tune my typewriter.
I'm happy to help.
How about T? How about a B? That's honey for the tea. And how about a W?
I'm ready. 6, 7. Let's do this.
Oh wait, can you hear that? Who is it me? Is it possible that my letter already got to Santa?
I think so, since there was no
It's a magic typewriter, you know? It has Bluetooth, yellow tooth, white tooth, lots of teeth. Oh man, there it is! It's Santa.
It's Santa
I know him. Yes. Yes. Okay.